All right, let's dive in. Today, we're taking a tour of what is basically mission control for your entire virtual desktop world, the Omnissa Horizon Console. Seriously, if you're wrangling VDI, this is your command center.
If you're an IT admin, this question probably hits a little too close to home. You're juggling user sessions, keeping an eye on server health, pushing out apps. It feels like trying to conduct a massive orchestra where every musician is in a different building. The complexity can be just a lot.
But what if you could get that whole orchestra into one concert hall, with you right there on the conductor's podium? Well, that's exactly the idea behind the Horizon Console. It's not just another piece of software, it's your VDI mission control. It's designed to take all that complexity and put you squarely back in charge.
So, let's get down to it. What exactly is this command center we're talking about? What does it do?
Okay, so here's the official line. The Omnissa Horizon Console is the main web-based admin interface for the Horizon 8 platform. But what does that really mean? It means this is the hub. This is where you live. Every single configuration, every health check, every app deployment for your environment, it all starts right here.
And really, its entire purpose boils down to these three incredibly powerful actions. You manage the environment, setting up desktop pools, giving users access. You monitor its health so you can stay ahead of any potential problems, and you troubleshoot issues fast when they pop up. Manage, monitor, troubleshoot. That is the rhythm of an effective admin, and this is the tool for it.
So what's actually in this mission control? What are the tools in the toolkit that let you do all that cool stuff? Let's take a closer look at the power you have right at your fingertips.
This is really where the magic happens, connecting the features to your day-to-day sanity. First up, the System Health Dashboard. This gives you a real-time, at-a-glance status of everything, from your connection servers to vCenter. No more digging around. Then there's centralized management, which means you can configure user settings or push a new application from your web browser wherever you are. And of course, monitoring and troubleshooting tools let you track live sessions and squash bugs fast, sometimes before a user even notices something's wrong.
And this right here, this is a huge quality of life win for any admin. The entire console is web-based. That means no clunky client software you have to install or keep updated on your own machine. You just pop open a browser, log in, and you've got the keys to the kingdom. That kind of flexibility is an absolute game changer. Okay, hang on. We need to pause for a second and make a really crucial distinction here. This is a super common point of confusion, so let's make sure we get it right. We've got to talk about the Horizon Console versus the Horizon Universal Console. They are not the same thing.
And the difference is actually pretty simple. It all comes down to the environment you're managing. The Horizon Console, the one we've been talking about, is for the Horizon 8 platform. Think of it as your on-prem or your traditional VDI setup. The Horizon Universal Console, on the other hand, is built specifically for managing the Horizon Cloud service, especially on Microsoft Azure. So one is for your VDI, the other is for your cloud-hosted stuff. Knowing which one to use is everything.
So, after going through all these features and making that key distinction, what's the big takeaway here? Why does having this single console matter so much? Well, it all comes down to the incredible power of centralization.
At the end of the day, it all boils down to the single, simple idea. The Omnissa Horizon Console gives you one centralized hub for total control over what can be a very complex system. It takes all those different moving parts, the servers, the users, the apps, and pulls them all together into one single manageable interface. It's about turning that potential chaos into complete, beautiful order. And that really leaves us with one final thought to chew on. When you have one single place to manage, to monitor, and to troubleshoot everything, you're creating a single source of truth for your entire virtual environment. So the real question is, what could that kind of clarity and control unlock for you and your team? Something to think about.